You want crispy skin and juicy chicken, but it ended up with soggy and rubbery. These 4 steps will help you achieve Michelin quality chicken at home. Let's get cooking. 2 reasons to break down the chicken. The breast and the thighs are cooked at different temps, and the thigh has higher fat content, which requires rendering. Here's how to do it. Remove the wings, go right underneath the wing. Now we're going to flip it around, and you're going to cut the skin as close to the thigh as possible. We want to leave as much skin for the breast. Pop the joints. Make sure you take your knife and dig out that oyster. Next, you're going to cut away the rack from the back. I usually like to go in with a pair of scissors. Make sure you're going through all that bone. Then once you have this, you're going to take scissors and trim up the rib cage. And then last, you have the wishbone. Just follow it down. For the legs, go around the bone, and then you're going to follow the bones. Cut out, go around the cartilage. This is the knee joint. Once you have the 2 bones, we're just going to go around the joint and remove it. Careful not to go through the skin. Save this for stock. And then I just feel around for any pieces of cartilage. Brining is a great way to add flavor to chicken, but also important for dry aging. It will help keep the flesh moist and prevent funky aging flavors. For the cure, first we're going to start with salt. You need 50 grams. Next, we're going to balance out the saltiness with a little bit of sweetness. We need 25 grams of that. We're going to do 15 grams of smoked paprika. 3 bay leaves. About 30 peppercorns, half a bunch of thyme. Put this in the pot with a quart of water and bring it to a boil. Pour it off into a bowl. Quart of ice water. Once this has cooled down, place your chicken into it. We're gonna let this sit in the brine for 24 hours. We're gonna pull it from the brine, tuck all the skin under. We're gonna place it on a rack. And using a paper towel, you're gonna dry the skin really well. Place this in the fridge for 3 to 5 days until the skin is dried out like this. Dry aging the chicken will ensure crispier skin and will also intensify the flavor. Next, we're gonna add some fat to it. You can either use rendered chicken fat, clarified butter, or vegetable oil. And sprinkle the skin with some salt. The breast, you're gonna place in the 475-degree oven. After about 20 minutes of roasting, we're gonna drop the temperature down to 370 and roast to an internal temperature of 160 degrees. For the thighs, oil and season like the breast, and place in a cool pan heating on medium heat. Press on the thigh to ensure even contact and render until the skin is nice and crispy. Flip and place into a 375-degree oven until it reaches 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking to a higher temperature will allow the connective tissue to break down, making a juicier and more tender thigh. We're making this chicken dish next Tuesday. Now, you should try out these techniques on this recipe.